Sige. Ayan ang model ng cherry trees. Cherry blossom. Sige lang. We're gonna show you. We're gonna show you how long this Gorka, sakti muna. Artista ang dating. Ito na po ang discovery ng Hollywood. Siya na po ang susunod na leading lady ni Trump. Sino? Gana jay dulo nga ron. Oh, sige, kasta. Gorka. Agpost ka man, dito yun behind the orange tree. Yung orange tree. Go. Agad ka. Kita man dito orange tree dito ni. Tagadubungan na. Oo. Oh, sige na. Maglakad ka na. Saan? Dito? Oh, sige. Okay. You stopped. We're just appreciating the trees. It's really pretty, huh? We're just appreciating this cherry blossom tree.
Oh no, this is a very nice place.
I know. Yeah.
Live in the park.
No, we live by
Oh, that's okay. It's not.
San Adriano, just over here, a few houses away from
I
here.
mean, some of the trees, you know,
Yeah,
it almost looks like
Japan.
autumn.
Yeah, I know, huh?
Anyway, I won't be in your way.
Okay. Thank you.